Just got a new Amazon Fire TV Cube? Setting it up is easy when you know the right steps. In this step-by-step Fire TV Cube setup guide, I'll show you how to connect it to your TV, pair the remote, sign into your Amazon account, and get everything ready for streaming. Let's start with what's included in the box. You should find the Fire TV Cube, a remote, batteries, and a power adapter. Start by connecting the power cable to your Fire TV Cube. Then plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the Cube, and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Next, connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. Once the Fire TV Cube powers on, switch your TV to the HDMI input where the Cube is connected. Now, grab the Fire TV remote and make sure the batteries are installed. On the screen, you'll be asked to pair the remote. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until the pairing process is complete. Once the remote is paired, choose your preferred language from the list. After that, connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can either scan the QR code with your phone or use the remote to select your network and enter the password manually. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the Fire TV Cube may check for updates and start downloading them automatically. If an update is available, let it finish. During this process, the device may restart and display the Fire TV logo. When the setup continues, you'll reach the Amazon account sign-in screen. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account using your phone. I'm going to sign in with an existing account. You can either scan the QR code, enter the activation code on your phone, or press the menu button on the remote and sign in manually using your Amazon email and password. After signing in, select Continue. You'll have the option to save your Wi-Fi password to your Amazon account and restore any previous Fire TV settings. I'll skip that for now. Next, you'll be asked if you'd like to set up your Fire TV remote to control your TV and connect devices such as soundbar or AV receiver. You can complete this step now or skip it and set it up later. You'll also have the option to create a PIN for purchases and parental controls. I'll select Not now, but you can always set one up later from Settings. Continue through the remaining setup screens. You can skip any streaming service signups you don't want right now. Choose a screensaver and customize your profile by changing your profile picture and account settings. Once you reach the home screen, open your profile and make sure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. Your Fire TV Cube is now ready to use. You can start streaming your favorite apps and movies and use Alexa voice control to search for content, open apps, and control your entertainment right from the remote. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix 369 till the end.